This is a tutorial on how to make a mini accordion book.
A cutter, scoring tool, 12 by 12 sheet of paper, tape runner, pocket cards, and coordinating color. That's it. Let's get started. Cutting these at 4.25 by 12. Need 2 strips, and then this piece I'm going to go 4.25. This is extra. It's by 3.25. Okay. And now for all of these, I'm going to score these all at 3.25. And now for these, I'm just going to accordion. And you're going to decide if you want the light side or the dark side. I think I'd like the dark side to be the top, and it's going to open to the right. So you just fold them accordion style, like this. And then you're going to take this one, make sure you match it up. And then here's your little one piece, like this. And now that it's good to go, we can adhere these flaps down. I like to try to get it as close to the edge as possible. There we go. And then this one right here. And the first thing I do is put my cover and my back cover on. And I'm going to use these coordinating colors. This is clover and this is mint. I use the close to my heart paper because it's quality. So there's my front. And then here's my back. There we go. And I've got my pocket cards here. And make sure this opens the right way. Yep, I'm gonna go ahead and put the, I'm gonna cut this down a little bit. So I lied, I do need my cutter. There, how cute is that? And then I'm just gonna go ahead and put all of these in this book. I'm gonna place them in one by one. And this is where I have room for some notes. I'm gonna write a little note. And you can rearrange these as you see fit. Like that one I'll put there, and then this one I'll put here. So I have 2 spaces to put some decorative pieces. So after those are all adhered,